Hello! Today I'm showing you our new place. Yeah. What's up guys, Kamil here, Golira Project Car. Today I want to show you our new space. So I missed a couple of videos because I was moving to a new house. I'm currently sitting in it. If you are Polish and you want to see the journey of rebuilding this house, subscribe to the other Polish channel, I guess. It's gonna be somewhere here, or I'm gonna put the link at the end of the video. Zapraszam tych, którzy będą chcieli oglądać, jak buduję swój własny dom pierwszy i mam nadzieję ostatni. Nie chcę więcej tego robić, nie było nic ciekawego. Okay, back to English. So, the barn is not in the pristine condition, but it's mine. I bought it and now I just have to pay it off till the end of my life. But we can start working on something that if we invest into it, it's gonna be ours. So let's go and take a look at it. The Touring is such a good car. It's insane. Boom. Yep. Oh shit. Yeah. Mine. This is our new space. As you can see, it needs a lot of cleaning and a lot of work. Because there's literally no floor that we can work on. It's uneven, it's impractical, and it's terrible. Wait. Yeah. So the camera is laying on the shelf, which is even, but due to the floor being like cricket, the image is cricket as well. So this is the space for us. Now what I have to do is completely redo this beam right here, because we cannot have this one, the support beam. It has to go. Otherwise it's gonna be very difficult to maneuver with the car, so there's a huge rebuild ahead of us inside the barn. There's some old laundry. If you want it, let me know, I can send it to you, because it's not mine and I'm not gonna touch it. Just with the gloves and just to throw it out. But there's something more. So apart from the barn, we have garages. 1 and 2. Yeah. So this is the place where they kept their coal, and right now we don't want to keep the coal in here, we want to keep cars in here. So what we need to do is also redo this, get rid of that support beam, to have one beam across the whole garage and keep the cars inside, the ones that I'm driving, like Touring, because this way I will have a lot more space in the barn and I won't have to like move stuff around. And in the second garage, which I'm okay, let's go there too. Yeah, so this one is a bit wider, but it's shorter. I'm thinking about making it longer to be able to put the car in here. Basically that's it for now, but this is where I want to keep the projects, like let's say compact, that I haven't touched for ages. I want to keep it here. That way the area in the barn where we are making videos and making all the content is as clean as possible. So that's the plan. I hope it will work out. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but by the end of June I have to get all my stuff from the old workshop here, so I need to start doing something in here. That's just a small update for you, because I don't want to miss another video. I want to keep you updated. And this is where all the content is going to be in from now on. Yeah, I guess so. Hope you enjoyed looking at our new compound, or whatever we want to call it. We'll see you in the next one. Stay hydrated because it's getting hot, and bye.